Tengiz is quite an extraordinary oil field. It's the world's deepest producing supergiant oil field, and it was first discovered in 1979. The Tengizshevroйл partnership was formed between the Republic of Kazakhstan and Chevron Corporation in 1993, and the current shareholders are Chevron, Kazmunagas, ExxonMobil, and Lucarco. It's got a long history in the Republic of Kazakhstan, and it's quite a large and massive field. So just the aerial extent of the field is about 20 kilometers by 20 kilometers, and the reservoir itself is over 1.5 kilometers thick. So we produce several products. We produce about 1/3 of the total crude production from the Republic of Kazakhstan. But in addition to that, we produce LPG, sulfur, and dry gas for the domestic market. TCO is very proud of our contribution to the Republic of Kazakhstan over the years. Since 2000 alone, we've invested over $3 billion in environmental protection activities. Digital transformation is a journey. It's not a project or simply deploying an application. It's really a process of looking where you have opportunities to improve your performance in your business and applying digital tools, digital technologies to reimagine the way you work, really. We've been on a digital journey for a while here in TCO. We started by building our data foundation, and we've deployed many applications and tools that have really created a lot of value in our business here in TCO. Over the last 2 years, we've had a little different focus. We've focused on accelerating our digital transformation. And I think it's important to say we're not doing digital for digital's sake. We are really focused on identifying the business needs and then identifying the right digital applications to help us improve the way that we manage that piece of our business. So really trying to draw a very clear connection between digital, our transformation, and driving improved business performance for TCO. We did this by doing a comprehensive review of our operating model here in TCO. We identified what were those business metrics that would really make an impact on our performance, and we've set aspirational targets for those business metrics. And we use this as a way to focus and target and prioritize our digital efforts, because we do see digital as a critical enabler for transformation in TCO and how we do work. We need digitalization to help enable that performance here in TCO.
В современном быстро развивающемся мире технологий Тенгизшевройл, лидер казахстанской нефтегазовой отрасли, применяет цифровизацию для повышения безопасности, производительности и создания новых ценностей для Республики Казахстан и акционеров. Цифровизация способствует повышению эффективности всей цепочки ценностей, оптимизируя процессы принятия решений с целью поднятия эффективности производства на новый уровень. Учитывая огромное количество автомобилей, передвигающихся по промысловым дорогам каждый день, в рамках одного только пилотного проекта по безопасности транспортных средств мы смогли снизить уровень усталости водителей на 96%. С помощью усовершенствованных датчиков, систем слежения за лицом и искусственного интеллекта, цифровое устройство обнаруживает и предупреждает водителей, ощутивших сонливость или усталость, звуковым сигналом или вибрацией, чтобы предпринять необходимые действия. Цифровые технологии повсеместно внедряются на нефтяных месторождениях. Нефтегазовые компании ежедневно обрабатывают огромные объемы данных, чтобы безопасно и эффективно управлять крупномасштабными операциями в сложных условиях. На одном из крупнейших и самых глубоких месторождений в мире, Тенгиз, ТШО интегрирует цифровые технологии в производственную деятельность. Алгоритмы машинного обучения и интеллектуального анализа данных позволили ТШО обеспечить около $90 миллионов США прибыли в производстве. Это только один пример того, как цифровизация оптимизирует рабочие процессы, снижает затраты и повышает безопасность и надежность оборудования. Цифровизация также помогает группам по техническому обслуживанию, эксплуатации, проектированию и автоматизации быстрее принимать наилучшие решения. Многомиллиардный проект будущего расширения, проект управления устьевым давлением ТШО, является следующим крупномасштабным расширением производства на тенгизском месторождении. ПБР-П УУТ, имеющий стратегическое значение для Республики Казахстан, сегодня является одной из крупнейших инвестиций в мировую нефтегазовую отрасль. ТШО эксплуатирует беспилотные воздушные системы для сбора видео, изображений и других данных для мониторинга и наблюдения за этим важным проектом без срыва в производстве. С помощью других передовых технологий сотрудники на рабочих объектах могут связаться с экспертами на отдаленных участках для мгновенного обмена данными. Инженеры со всего мира могут формировать ситуационную осведомленность в среде с низким уровнем риска и оказывать помощь в выполнении задач в ускоренном режиме. Цифровые технологии преобразуют мир нефти и газа. Будущее здесь и сейчас.
We have a lot of exciting examples to share. Maybe one I'll highlight is a collaboration between multiple teams within TCO, specifically our reservoir management team, our wells team, our projects group, and our decision analysis team. And we call it T-REX. And this is about TCO economic acceleration rapid evaluation cycle solution. It's a big name, but it really is about enhancing how we optimize our well drilling and our put on production queue and maximize the scenario evaluation to optimize the economics of our overall development program. And this is an exciting one because the MVP really started out as a tool focused on helping us with drilling or rig schedule scenarios. And the team quickly realized we can do so much more with it than this. And they now are using it to influence more than just the rig schedule. And we're using it as the overall workflow optimization to enhance the economics and really be as capital efficient as possible with how we progress our development program here in TCO. This effort actually was recognized as the most innovative solution at the recent Chevron Digital Innovation or Transformation Summit in Houston. So we're very proud of that accomplishment. We were able to use our digital capabilities and the competencies within TCO to very quickly respond to how we manage the pandemic. It's quite impressive. We deployed web-based applications to track and monitor the health of all of the people coming in to the Republic of Kazakhstan to support our operations. We established the Tengiz Pass. It was a tool that allows us to manage site access into Tengiz, which is a special quarantine area. We had a digital crew change portal that just helped us manage the massive logistics associated with getting all of the people in and out of our operations effectively. We applied digital technology in almost every aspect of how we managed our COVID pandemic response, even down to the fever inspection systems that we deployed across our operation. TCO's digital initiatives are very aligned with the vision of Digital Kazakhstan. We have deployed multiple solutions such as digital active acceptance, digital invoices, digital contractor timesheets that are really critical for our operations. And you'd say, why are these important? Just to put in perspective, we process over 4,000 active acceptance documents every month and the same amount of invoices. So these tools really allow our workforce in TCO, as well as our business partners, to very effectively and efficiently manage this critical work scope with high quality. We also support the ROK initiative around virtual warehouses. So we're working very closely with the authorities and the teams that are focused on this for the Republic of Kazakhstan. They're very aligned with several of our initiatives here in TCO. I think some of our most exciting digital opportunities are to empower and transform the work we're doing in Tengiz. Probably a really exciting one we could talk about is the tool time optimization that's being taken on by our maintenance organization. This project is exciting because it's going to allow us to use data that we have available from our maintenance operations as an input to our schedules. It's going to allow us to plan our work more accurately. What I really like about it is it's a simple product, but it generates very valuable and essential information to map out real-time processes. I really believe that we need to leverage new digital solutions to get better at what we do today and to cope with dynamic and industry developments. Yeah, I think I've been very pleased with the partnership and collaboration between process engineering and our digital transformation. So just based on the work that process engineering is doing, they're always trying to optimize our throughput and how our plants operate. And they're also trying to help us with reliability threats in our operation. So they had a great focus this year on predictive analytics of our heat exchangers and using data and data science to help predict the runtime and the condition of our heat exchangers so that we can make good, efficient, informed decisions about when we need to clean or adjust or intervene in our heat exchanger maintenance program. So in order to progress this work on predictive failure analytics, the team's using real-time data. They did a series of design thinking workshops to come up with these innovative solutions. And I think it's a great example of how the teams need to work together and use the rich data sets that we have available to help inform transformational workflows and how we make decisions about running our equipment. I think it's one of the most important aspects of our digital transformation, really. For the last several years, building digital org capability and building digital culture have been key focus areas for us as a leadership team. It really is a critical aspect of building transformational and sustainable performance in any change, but certainly in something like digital transformation. But we also have many broad programs to build capability across our organization. We have opportunities to engage the workforce to learn skills around data science and to build excitement with the organization doing things like Digital Yurt. We had a competition last year where teams submitted their great ideas. We selected the top 5 through a panel of judges, and it just allowed the workforce to be involved and engaged, but also to just build some excitement that we've continued on into 2020. We just did a data science hackathon where teams volunteered to participate in a one-day competition where they learned tools about data science, they applied it to a real-life problem, and then they presented their solutions to a panel of judges to see who was going to come out on top. So it was just a really exciting way, not just to grow skills and knowledge, but to grow excitement in the organization about our digital future. Here in TCO, we are very excited. We're on a very exciting and fulfilling journey around digital transformation. We're very pleased with the impact that we've made so far and the benefits that we've seen in our business, but we're also excited about the future. We're excited to continue on this journey and see what kind of benefits and impact we can make to benefit TCO, benefit our shareholders, and ultimately benefit the Republic of Kazakhstan.